Hey all! Welcome to Sparklebox. How is carbon dioxide formed? Let's know more about this by conducting this activity. We have many more interesting and engaging activity kits in our website mysparklebox.com. You can also find the website link in the description below. Subscribe to our channel Sparklebox for more of such amazing videos.